welcome to another episode of Hear Yourself. In this episode, we are looking at PET panels, 9 mm thick, as to how best this can be installed.
We are back with a rerun of this episode of Hear Yourself because we now have an actual test result of NRC from NPL that either corrects or validates our acoustical assessment of PET panels.
But just sticking PET panels to the wall, which is how it's used, do you think you can get the best of acoustics? I don't think so. So there's a science
And now
as
prove
to how you can use these panels, and there's a method as to how you can install and extract the maximum out of a 9 mm PET panel. So a 9 mm panel direct A mounting on the wall will give an NRC of 0.35, which all of us round off to 0.4.
turns out an actual testing by NPL gives it even lower NRC of 0.27, which can be rounded off to 0.3 for A mounting, much lower than what we thought. This is very low sound absorption if used directly on walls. Risky because it may not really resolve echo mitigation issues.
By adding an air gap with our CC10, our channels, a PET panel would give say 0.45 to 0.5 NRC.
This too turned out to be way lower on actual testing by NPL to NRC of 0.37 rounded off to 0.4, and only 40% of the sound waves incident to panel surface are absorbed with a D10 mounting.
So the next best thing would be to add synth 10 by 10, CC10, synth 10 by 10, and then you stick the synth slim, the 9 mm PET panel, to the CC10. You get some air gap, you get an infill, you get 0.6, NRC 0.6, but the big difference is more of the mid and high frequencies.
We were spot on with this assessment, and the NPL testing validates with NRC of 0.62 for C10 mounting, as also the mid and high frequency sound absorption of 0.54 at 500 Hz, 0.8 at 1000 Hz, 0.96 at 2000 Hz.
So the best would be to use a strand backer board, which is screw fixed to the CC10 with or without the infill, and then stick the synth slim onto the strand backer board. This gives you the best acoustics. NRC 0.8 to 0.85.
Yes, we do get NRC of 0.78 rounded off to 0.8 from the recent test results of NPL from C10 mounting of strand slim, and yes, it is broadband sound absorption across the frequency spectrum from 0.9 at 250 Hz, 0.62 at 500 Hz, 0.74 at 1000 Hz, 0.87 at 2000 Hz, and 0.98 at 4000 Hz. That's astounding. It's really outstanding.
We can do the magic of converting a humble 9 mm panel from 0.3 to 0.9 NRC by having more air, more synth in terms of thickness, thicker strand board, and then the 9 mm synth slim PET panels on it.
And our assessment about this too is validated by NPL with C50 mounting of slim acoustical panels, which is 9 mm thick, 220 kg per meter cube density PET panel mounted on strut CC50 framing with synth PF 10 by 50. Infill returns NRC of 0.85 rounded off to 0.9. The above NPL test results show the acoustical efficiency of PET panels is achieved with an intelligent engineering of the components to achieve the optimal cost to performance ratio needed for a specific project. It also shows the best broadband sound absorption across the frequency spectrum comes from strand slim 20 mm on CC10 with overall depth of system 30 mm.